tutorial just to show you how you can add a hyperlink on a post. And the hyperlink is just a link that takes the viewer from your post to any other location on the website, or indeed on any website. So it's a nice easy tool. Why do I want you to learn about this? Well, the way that portfolios will be set up to be used on the website is that we will create the images, and we've set a tutorial around that, but the tags that will be used will simply be the tags that will be filtering, so your name, documentary or some other genre, and that kind of thing, so that we are able within the portfolio page to look at the filters up on the top of the page, and then click on those to find everything about Nick Crocker or everything about genre, that kind of stuff. We normally ask you on posts to put lots and lots of tags in order to maximize the chance for search engines to find that item, the post, the page, whatever. But with portfolios, it needs to work a little bit differently. And so although you'll have lots of nice images and you'll write some nice text around it, that actually won't be so visible for search engines because the tags are used in a different way with this theme. So what do we need you to do? Well, what we need you to do is to, once you've created your portfolio, is to then write a post about your portfolio. That will be a really good way of marketing it and just giving a short introduction to it. It'll appear on the front of the website, and it will also then be visible to the wider public through search engine, because on the post you'll write lots of tags around making it visible there. So what we want you to do is, having written a post about your portfolio, is to then be able to link to your portfolio. Okay, hope that makes sense. So then we're looking at a portfolio item I've chosen, which is that really nice one of Ian's called Compositions, and I just want to grab the link to it so that we can send viewers here from the post we're going to write. So if you look up at the top of the screen, you'll see I've highlighted the URL, or the web location, the web page directions that the computer uses. I've just copied that. Now here, as they say on Blue Peter, here's what I made earlier. I've created a new post called Ian Mason Compositions, and I put some text in there around it, and I put an image there. And what I want to do now is add a link, firstly to some text, and then secondly add the link to the photo image, just to show you can do that as well. So I'm going to highlight the word here from click here, and now I'm looking up at the icons. If you can see this one, which I've highlighted here, it looks like a chain. To me, it looks like a set of handcuffs actually. And if you click on it, it will allow us to insert a link which will appear. And we see it's highlighted HTTP. Well, we can just get rid of that because we've already got that bit of the web address that we need. And we paste into it the URL, the web link that we took from the other page just now with the portfolio item, and click on the bottom right there, add link. Having done so, we can see now this has changed. It's changed colour and it's now underlined. That's indicating that there is a hyperlink attached. Now we'll just click onto the image. We'll go into the left-hand box and click on Edit. And if you look down here, it says Link URL. Let's highlight that box. Let's paste in that same URL again. Let's click on Update. Okay, we're simply going to click on Publish because the post is written. And we know all our posts now, unless we use Stealth Publish, will appear on the front of the website. It's refreshed itself. So let's go to the home page. And now we see down here our new post, Ian Mason Compositions, with a nice picture on it. Let's click on it to see that post we've created. And here we have it. The text is created. And can you see, here we have, if we roll over it, a hyperlink. Click on the hyperlink and it takes us to Ian Mason's Compositions portfolio. If we go back again, if we just look here, we see that there is a hand that appears as the browser goes over the image. Clicking on the image, again it takes us to the portfolio. So our links have successfully worked for both. And it's as simple as that. Can't make it any easier. We can very easily, any of us, now you've seen this, you can add a hyperlink to text or an image that will take people from your page or post to any other location on the site or another site. So my mind is set that I want you to write a post about your portfolio, to introduce it, to market it, and to put lots of tags into the post that will make it visible to search engines. But I suppose you could also use this if you're writing about an exhibition at, say, the Tate Modern, and there's if Tate Modern has a page talking about it. Well, if you've been to see that exhibition and you've going to take a review of it, you may wish to add a link to the Tate Modern's web page on the website. That may be another reason you might want to use a hyperlink. So I hope that was really helpful. As ever, if you're trying and you get stuck, send me an email, give me a ring, and of course I'll help. Thank you.